So today I've been sent this Bluetooth foldable keyboard by ESYNiC. It's on Amazon for £27.79 at the moment. It's reduced, is £5.20 off. I think I've actually seen this on TV before, so I'm quite looking forward to this. Just get it open. Okay, so we've got user's guide, the keyboard itself, quite weighty, and a USB. Right, let's weigh this because it feels quite heavy. Right, so straight out of the packet, it weighs 307 by the look of it. Let's check it again. 307 grams. So that gives you some sort of idea on its weight. A nice leathery type outer. Oh, that's nice. Got a magnet on there. Oh, is that it? Oh, that's cool. Look how that opens up. That's well smart. And the light comes on when you open it up to show that it's powered on. The keys feel really good. There's no flex in it at all. Considering it's a fold-up keyboard, the keys feel like a full-size keyboard. Nice feel to them. There's no flex in it at all. Obviously, you can use this to. Must be some way you can use this to prop it up if needed. Fits in there nicely. That's cool, let's get this out of the way. The case is smart, I like that. It feels nice. Right, so let's get it paired up to a device. Let me just get my favourite iPad, because these are easy to work. So if we go to settings, Bluetooth. That one. It's because I connected so many. Oh, it's connected because I connected so many devices to these tablets that they get a bit confused. So that's connected. So basically, what you got to do is hold down the function and the key, the C key. Okay, well that's working well. Let's delete all this rubbish. Let me just get this. Okay, so hopefully you can see both of them. I like that, feels nice when I'm typing, so that's good. It's got a load of function buttons here. Right, that's the music. So function and 6 is back one. Function 10 is the volume up. That's really smart. Turn it down a bit. So it's got an escape key. Obviously it can be connected up to anything with the Bluetooth theoretically. It's got all your search buttons, it acts, copy, your pastes, sort of a manual. It's got 2 LEDs on it, green. So you got home, search, select all, copy, paste, cut, previous track, next track, pause, volume up, volume down. So it's got loads of shortcuts on here. Yeah, it takes it home, function and then function. It's got Windows, Android and iOS, which is smart, so obviously you can link it to it. That's what I must have needed to do. On the top here, on the Q it's got Android, on the W it's got Windows, and on the E it's got iOS. So obviously that's how you set it up for the shortcut keys, depending on what you're going to be running it on. Just turn this down. Yes, that's quite smart, that. Lithium battery, 210 milliamps. Charge time, it takes 4 hours. Standby time up to 90 days. In uninterrupted working time, 80 hours. So you can continuously use this for 80 hours before needing to recharge once it's fully charged. It's got a lithium battery life of 3 years. It just is about the storage of it. Obviously you get the case, which is really smart. I do like that case. I like the way it snaps into place. So when you finish with the keyboard, just fold it like that easy. Get your little case, stick that in there like that. Job's done. So that's the ESYNiC Bluetooth keyboard. I'll leave a link below where you can purchase it on Amazon. I do like the way that folds out. As I say, it's quite heavy, so you can tell it's well made. Keys feel nice. It feels like a full-size keyboard, as in the feel of the keys. It doesn't feel like one of them little cheap plasticky ones. There's no bend in it at all. It feels quality made. It's $27.79 including delivery with Prime at the moment. It's £5 off. If you're looking for a small portable keyboard to take away with you on holiday, when you travels, folds up nice and neatly, stick it in your pocket, comes with a nice case. Don't think you're going to get much better than that. I do like that. So hopefully this review will show you how the device works. A nice hinge action there. So that is metal. So it's, you know, it's proper made. It's not cheap plastic. Once it's out, it feels nice. So the link will be in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.